Hey everyone, Jeff McGinnis, CrossCountry Mortgage. Just wanted to share with you a great success story about a very fatigued buyer of ours that went out, fought against an all cash offer, and won with only 5% down. We were able to help get them pre-underwritten and be able to explain to the listing agent how well prepared they were to close in 10 business days. So we just did this last month. Super proud of our team to be able to have participated in the success of our buyer. I just couldn't be more elated. It was just fantastic. But I thought I'd share that success story with you because you may have some friends or you may have some clients that are experiencing a lot of fatigue, getting beat out against all cash offers, but it's possible to win, and would love to help them if we can. But if nothing else, that people actually are winning against all cash offers with 5% down. All right, have a great day. I'll talk with you soon.